Understanding before and after pseudo element is one of the most important thing you can ever learn in CSS3. So once you learn it, we will make a practical example in the next video. So let's see how it is going to work and how it is useful when you design a very cool element in CSS3. So let's see how you can use it. In the previous video we talked about the first letter and the first paragraph. So I have a little list here, as you can see. If I come and refresh the page, yeah, you can see this one. Have you ever thought how you can change the dot? Let's say you change the dot to a tick mark or a contour or any other character or any other shape you want. This is going to be a challenge for you, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do some other step. As you can see, I can never select that line. Even if I select, go all the way down, I cannot select that because that is by browser and we have not added that way. Using before and after is the same. When you add something using before and after, you cannot select that because you added with CSS. Let's see how you can do this one. As you can see, here is a paragraph. Yeah, so we have let's talk about the paragraph. So I will just remove this style. Instead of the first letter, I will say before. So what? Before the paragraph, you can add content, you can add any shape, you can do anything you want. For example, the content is always necessary. You should write the content when you use before and after. You should say content anything. You should put it, for example, empty or something like, let's put some JBrush character here. If I refresh the page, as you can see, we have added that one, but I cannot select that one. As you can see, I can select the whole paragraph, but I cannot select that. And then I can change the color to red, to anything I want. Refresh, as you can see, the color has changed. I can give it a font size. Even now you can see the font size has changed. Now you cannot select that one because it is added with CSS. That's why we say before and after, and if you write that after, it will be added after our paragraph here. So this is very useful when you are going to design any shape or something like that. Let's see a practical project on GitHub. So if I go to GitHub, of course we will discuss about GitHub too. I'll go to GitHub and show you a very great project. I come here and say we should go to Icono. Icono is a great project. As you can see, it has 3.7k star in the GitHub. This project is icon, and these icons are built with pure CSS. As you can see, one tag, one icon. Okay, here is the description. Pure CSS icons, only with CSS element. As you can see, these are shape. These are all shapes. How they build this shape with CSS? How it is possible? This is the power of pseudo element. If you use them, you can easily create such a shape. These are not built in Photoshop or something like that. All of them are built with pure CSS. You can see the code if you just download the code and see the code. If you go to the GitHub repo, you can just come here and download this one from the download clone from here. We will discuss about the Git and GitHub in the future videos. For now, just understand this is a place where developer put their code, share their code, and work all together. So as you can see, this project is built using before and after, all of these things. How they put the shape, as you can see, I cannot select this one because these are built with pure CSS, and it is a very fantastic example that I can give you that you can do with before and after. So this is only one example how powerful before and after is when you use CSS. So you can design such shape and you can do almost everything. So this was it about before and after. In the next video, I will do a practical job with before and after. So see you in the next video.